This was really exciting also to see all the technical equipment, but to be honest, I really enjoy meeting people face by face. So I'm really looking forward to the next ITI meeting where I can see them all personally. This was really new, working with a patient scenario. Usually you give a lecture and you give this to dental professionals. And now you always talk a little bit to the patient, so you have to balance a little bit more. I like this quite a lot. I think this will be a little bit the future type, always to sum up in the patient's perspective. I really love the patient's perspective. It is very difficult to give the patient a concrete advice after 2 minutes introduction. So usually you learn your patient a little bit better, and our patient was rather difficult with some material intolerances. But I think we came to a good conclusion. France Lambert and I, together with Martin and the community, we have a good advice for her. Clinical evidence is important. It should be the basis for decision making, and we have to help the patient through this jungle of evidence. And so I think it's very important to know the evidence and to help the patients to understand and make their decision. This is very simple because we are a worldwide family, and it's great to travel around to see people with the same ideas, with the same spirit. And the other thing is we are shaping the future of implantology. This is done within the ITI, so come and be members and meet us personally.